Let me go to the next one, like, benefits of API. So far we have seen a use case, right, where you can see benefit of APIs, right, which can help you to grow your business. One key thing is like API increases the productivity of the team. How? Okay. In this Twitter example only, now see, I will be using Twitter APIs, so I don't need to actually, create it from scratch, right? And I can focus on only the things which are important to my business. So my developers will not do unnecessary things, or my testers will not test unnecessary things. So I will be doing only things which are important to my business. So in that case, it obviously increase the productivity of the team. Okay. So you are not building something from scratch, which is already available, right? Next thing, similar way, it saves the cost basically, right? So since you are not building everything from scratch, so you can save money. You can save money in terms of, in terms of number of days, right? You spend building the application. So, and you can focus more on whatever is needed for it. Okay. Next thing is it improves connectivity and collaboration. See, APIs allows you to connect to different applications, right? So you can use it basically connect to any applications over the network, right? So it can be your internal applications, it can be your third-party applications, right? So it facilitates that. Think about a situation, right? So you have a, for example, .NET application and you want to talk to a Java application. If APIs are not there, how you will connect or communicate between these two applications? So it improves the connectivity, okay, and it improves the collaboration. Okay, since APIs are there, your developers can actually collaborate for a common goal, and again it facilitates indirectly the productivity and it saves the cost. So it encourages innovation. Okay, so yeah, again these are all interconnected points. So since you are doing only what is needed for you, so you can actually innovate, you can give more, enhance customer experience to your users, right? And you can focus more what the customer exactly need, and you can give that, you can focus more developing those parts than what is actually already available. Then it also helps actually improving the marketing strategies. How? Okay, so suppose you have an API, okay, and you have an API like a Twitter or Facebook, right? So you can tell your probable customers like, hey, you know, come and use it. It has all the integrated part, like your functional part, your maybe money part, right? It has good connectivity, all the third party applications or APIs, right? You come and use it and grow your business, right? So basically when you market your APIs, right, so all the APIs will be having some purpose, right? And if you can convince your clients like, okay, no, you use my APIs and these are the benefits, right? And you can focus more on your own applications. So all you can see here, all the benefits are again interconnected. You can market it very well manner, because if you see, I want to build a shop for me, right, online shop. So how do I connect the different dots here, right? So I may need to connect to the retailers, right? I may need to connect to the user base, I may need to connect to my payment gateways, right? So if somebody gives me a platform, right, I can easily use it, right? So and I can focus more on my marketing strategies. Like how can I generate more traffic, right, in the application? Maybe I will give a more discount. I can give, more user friendly interfaces. If you see, all this, there are so many e-commerce websites, so many grocery shop websites, but people use only those which are popular, which gives a good experience to them, right? If suppose the e-commerce platform takes, 2 3 minutes to load the list of, you know catalogs, basically, obviously I will not use, right? So I will go and change my mind, and I will use something else. The competition is very high. Okay, so we can leverage APIs. We can, to market our product well. Another important point is analytics. Again, analytics, it is the core of our business, right? Collect data for analytics. So all these platforms are collecting data, social media platforms, and they are giving a handle to the data to different, people, and earning money. It's like a win-win business for everybody, right? So analytics gives you a holistic view of the entire thing. It's not just a, one side of it. Since to generate analytics you need huge data, and all these social media platforms leverage that, right? So they have a good, data user base, basically, and they can leverage that part. If you see how Facebook earns money, or how Twitter earns money, so they have their ads, right? And then they have this APIs which can be integrated to other applications, right? So that is their main business. And if you see here, right, how they are actually leveraging our data. Like, we as an user, we are giving all our data to them, and they are leveraging it for business purpose. So what, as an user, we are gaining? Yeah, we are able to keep in touch with people, because slowly, actually, we are moving into this online world, right? So now, even in the pandemic situation, mostly everything is virtual, and we keep in touch with other people we know, our friends, our colleagues, right, using these social media platforms, and we are actually exposing our sentiments openly, right? And yeah, these sentiments are getting leaked to these platforms, and they are leveraging it, and they are trying to use it for a business purpose. And only, it's not like only Twitter is getting money. Yeah, obviously all other business people are actually getting benefit. So again, one more important point is, creating new revenue opportunities. Yes, you can see this model itself, like, see, Twitter is able to create revenue models for us, and n- similar way, building new product capabilities, right? So yeah, you can actually innovate in any direction, right? So if you have all the bits and pieces are ready, then you can think, what is that product idea, and you can quickly prototype, right? So your turnaround time will be less, and you can, establish your business ideas very quickly using APIs.